Elasticity does not deform. An object that does not deform under the action of external forces. Stress is ang nagkukos ng deformation perpendicular to the area. Strain describes the deformation. Ang strain ay may tatlong types. Ang linear strain, ibig sabihin ng symbol niya is epsilon. Stretch or squish in one direction. Linear strain, one direction lang. Shear strain, push something sideways. Like sa sponge. Gamma, yung symbol niya is gamma. Pushes something sideways. Ganyan. Sideways. Pushing the top. Volume strain, something gets bigger or smaller in volume. Mag-iiba yung shape niya. Like pag magbo-blow ka ng balloon. Elasticity, ability of a deformed material body to return to its original shape. Like sponge. When bumabalik siya sa dati niyang shape kapag natanggal na yung in-apply na force. Hooke's Law by Robert Hooke in 1660. For relatively small deformation of an object, the displacement or deformation is directly proportional to force. Does it make sense to see God in your face, girl, a minute, Marila? Elastic